Welcome, guys. Today I will be meal prepping salmon, rice, and like a little bell pepper onion mix. I used the country jasmine rice. And I cut up a red and a green bell pepper. I bought salmon from HEB. The salmon from HEB was about like $17. But guys, what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut your veggies, cut your bell pepper in half, and take out all of those seeds and all of that extra stuff from in the middle. Cut off the head of the bell pepper, and then just cut it in half. Take the guts out, and then you're just gonna slice those into thin slices. With your onion, peel off that extra skin and just cut it into circles. And then once you cut those circles, just cut those circles in half, and that should be good. Put a little bit of olive oil or butter or whatever you have into your pan. Get it hot, and then you're going to put all of your veggies inside of that pan, and you're just going to let it sit over the heat for a little while until it's soft. I'm making my rice. Guys, with the rice, you got to take it and wash it. Wash all of that extra stuff off of your rice. I rinse mine probably like 3 times. And after that 3rd time, if there's still some whiteness to my water, then I will just forget it. I don't really care. I added some water into my veggie mixture, just so it could steam a little bit more. Then I took my salmon and I cut it into pieces, and I seasoned it. My go-to is salt, pepper, garlic powder. I might put a little Tony Satcheries or Slap Your Mama. And then with salmon, I love lemon pepper on salmon, so, I'm going to put some lemon pepper on my salmon. I got these little Cajun dollops from HEB. They were like $3, so I added some of that in there with the veggies whenever they started to get ready. Cleaned out my pan, and now I'm about to add my salmon into it. I put about 2 dollops in there, let it melt, and then after it melted, I put in my salmon pieces, and I put a little bit of water in there and put my lid on and just let it steam the salmon. I did that for about 10-15 minutes, and then I took my salmon off of the skillet. So that's what my salmon looked like whenever I took it off. I took my salmon out, and that excess butter and just juice, I added a little bit more water, and I added some tomato chicken bouillon into it, just to make like a little juice, just to make a little sauce to put on top of my rice and my salmon. Then I just start meal prepping that out, probably about 2 scoops of rice into each container, 1 salmon, and then a little bit of veggies. And I honestly could have made a lot more veggies than what I did. Next time I definitely will keep that in mind, because I did not have as much veggies as I would have liked to have. But yeah, guys, this is a very quick and easy meal to make. Very good, quick and easy meal to make, especially if you have a rice cooker. I just took that rice and put it in the rice cooker. It was done in like 20 minutes while I pretty much did everything else. And this meal made probably about 5 meals. I meal prepped 4, but I ate 1. So it actually, it fed... It could feed a good family of 5. But this is the ending product. I put it together and I put it in the refrigerator for the week. But you guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you like more content like this, if you have any suggestions, any ideas, anything you'd like me to cook, anything you'd like me to do, leave it in the comments. Bye.